everyone, Beryl here, and today I wanted to introduce you to something new that I've started, and it's called the People's Choice. And I put a post up on my Facebook page, my Instagram, and also as a post on the community section of my YouTube channel. And basically what it is that you guys get to tell me what to do. So I have lots of ideas in my head that I want to do, but I want to also do things that people want to see. So things in my head may not be what you want to see. So I came up with this idea where you get to decide what it is that I do. Alright, so it involves two different things. You can tag me in a card or a scrapbook page that you want me to copy from, to case, or you can direct message me a link to what you want me to copy, or case I should say. So casing is copying and selectively editing, not copying directly, or using part of it as inspiration for another project. So you get to tag me in or send me a picture or send me a link of something you want me to case. Or the other one, the other way you can get involved is to choose three numbers. Sorry, I had to get the fingers right then. Three numbers between 1 and 42. And the reason for that is that I have a list here of ideas, products, techniques, things like that. And you can choose three numbers between 1 and 42 for me to use. And I'm going to tell you what is against each of those numbers. It'll be a surprise when I make the project. Tell me whether to make a card or a scrapbook page, and then pick three numbers between 1 and 42. So that's how you can get involved. You can either send me a link, send me a picture, tag me in something you want me to case, or tell me to do a card or a scrapbook page and pick three numbers between 1 and 42, and that's what I will do. So first up, I had on one of my posts that I put up about this, I had lovely Beryl choose three numbers. She told me to do a card, told me to use numbers 16, 24 and 36. So 16 on my list is flowers, 24 is stickers, and 24 is specialty paper, and 36 is stickers. Right, so I'm going to combine the flowers and the stickers because I found these in my sticker book, and they are lovely sticker flowers that I have put on this paper. So some beautiful flowers here. They sort of all go together, and then a couple of tags that sort of go with that as well. And then she said specialty paper, so that's for 16 and 36, and I don't know what I've done with my specialty paper. I had a bit out and now I've lost it. What do I do with it? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try that again. I actually got a piece out, and my specialty paper is vellum. So I did get a piece out, and it's gone walkabout somewhere on my desk. So I'll grab another piece out. So vellum is my specialty paper. And then she said, make a card. So I'm going to use, oh look what I found, a piece of vellum. Oh, what do you know? Okay, this is, right, so here we go, found my piece of vellum. And I don't know whether to do a slimline card or just a normal rectangle card. And I'm going to be using these uniquely creative cards and envelopes. These are available in my online store, www.simplynorel.com. And these are really reasonable and fantastic quality. So head over to my store and see if there's any left. If I'm out of stock, they'll be on back order, and I'll be getting more in soon. So I think I might go slimline. Or will I go... No, I'm going to go normal, I think. Oh, I really want to try slimline. I don't know what to do. Maybe I could make the flowers do both. So to make the specialty paper look more than just a piece of vellum stuck to the card front, I thought I would emboss it with this beautiful embossing folder by, again, Uniquely Creative. And it's called Captivating Embossing Folder. This again is in my store. I'm pretty sure it's in my store. Hopefully it's not sold out. And I think this is part of the Moody Blues latest collection they brought out. Alright, so I'm going to fast forward this now while I have a little play, and I'll be back with the finished card. I have my very first People's Choice card. Sorry about the noise. Alright, so there we are. Number 1, People's Choice. Beryl asked me to make a card using 16, 24 and 36, which was flowers, specialty paper and stickers. I used stickers and flowers together. These were flower stickers that were in my stick book. Now I stuck them on, it wasn't wax paper, it was just some paper I had in the cupboard at the time, and I knew that when I peeled them off, when I wanted to use them, they would probably stick to the paper. I'd have to cut around them, which you saw me doing, and also some of them, the top layer came off and left the sticky bit on the paper. That's okay, you can still use them, you just put glue on the back. But these are definitely stickers that I put on these papers. I had packets and packets and packets, and I was having a hard time storing them and keeping them tidy where I could look through them. And even though I could flick through the packets, it just wasn't working because there was different sizes of packets, some really tall ones, some small ones, and I couldn't find a container that could contain them all neatly. So I took them all out, put them on these sheets in a folder, and now I just flick through the folder to find the stickers that I want. So these were stickers, just that I had put them on the wax, well, not wax paper, the fake wax paper. So there we go, card 1. I put some blending of inks on the back to add a bit more colour. I thought the vellum, the specialty paper, would get lost on just the plain white, so I wanted to add some interest on the back, so I just blended some alternate colours and some Stampin' Up! Colours in the background, embossed the specialty paper, and then put the stickers on, and die cut or cut apart a embellishment that I had in my container that was just sitting on my desk, added a few extra leaves, added some rhinestones, and we are done. So if you want to see me make something of your choice, you either send me an image or tag me in a post of something you want me to case, or you can choose 3 numbers between 1 and 42 and then tell me whether you want me to use those numbers to make a card or a scrapbook page. So I've got a few more lined up and I'll bring them to you shortly, but I would love everyone to get involved and tell me what you want to see me make. And I love the challenge because when you choose your numbers, I have no idea what it is I'll be using, and it's fun to have a challenge like this. If you think this is something you would like to be involved in, then please let me know, because I'm considering opening a challenge group for this type of thing, where people send me their choices of the numbers between 1 and 42, and we create a little challenge around it in a separate group. So that if that is something you're interested in, please let me know. If you have liked this video, then please hit the like button, which is the thumbs up, and subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I put my next video up. Thank you for watching. I hope you've liked this. Have a fantastic day. I can't talk now. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.